Hi folks, Lee the Shop here, and I'm joined by my twin brother, Lee the Drum, and this absolutely fantastic Ludwig Vistalite Clear. Take it away, Lee. So as we said, we have the Vistalite by Ludwig with us today. Now, this is accompanied by Minor Dark cymbals, the Byzance range, so they're beautiful. He's privileged to play them today with the Vistalite. So the Vistalite kit was first introduced in 1972 in America, obviously, by the Ludwig company. And it came in colours such as blue, the reds, the ambers, and of course the clear. And the purpose was, in the original catalogue, is that you played this like a piece of clothing. Because it was clear, it was just wrapped around you as a drum kit. And that was the concept that they had at the time. So these are acrylic drums. They come with the large classic legs, standard steel hoops, and they come with inlays on the bass drum. Just to point out, the reason that when you see Lee the Drum playing here, there's an odd looking hoop at the back is because we remove the original heads, hoops, including the wooden hoop. We take them off because this is a brand new kit. We put ours on, so that the only things that are attached are standard stock that we keep here, so that the bass drum pedal, for example, doesn't damage the original hoop. And once we finish doing the demonstration and some of the videos, what we do then is put all the originals back. So this comes with silver dot Remo and Ludwig drum heads, as you can see in the photographs, and it comes with the inlays of silver sparkle, both front and back on the bass drum. This is a 22x14 bass drum, so it's a fantastic sound, really lovely, and it gives you a nice open tone, or you can tone it down if you want to be more punchy and throaty, pushing it through. It comes with, this particular model comes as a 12x8, 8 being the depth, a 14x14, a 16x14. So this is a very rare model indeed, because the mods and the fabs are different configurations to this when you look at the Ludwig website. So this is a little bit of a one-off, and it is beautiful. So as we said, it comes with the classic Ludwig legs, the large, and that is always recognizable no matter where you are if you know your drums. Rubber backing on the back, obviously, to protect the plastic that you've got there. It comes with traditional floor tom legs from the 70s era. That would be with the Ludwig logos there. So they keep in the concept of its original design within the kit itself. Because of that, they also have the same bedding edge as they had previously, which is a 45-degree cut with a very tiny amount off the outside. It's predominantly cut like that from the inside of the drum right to the outer edge, with just a chamfer taken off, not to dig at the drum heads, as it were. So the other thing is, as well, is that it is a rolled plastic, so they form it round and then they put the joint on there. Now originally there were some issues with the joints. That's because a lot of people would tighten the heads quite hard. They might chuck the drums in the back of the van, as it were, and they were going out and playing them. They get in hot, they get in cold, they're being knocked around a little bit, and then some of the joints were cracking on the drums themselves. But what they now do is to put that little seam joint in there that you can see. So a little strip of plastic in there, just to make sure that it doesn't split away. Now some might complain that that isn't the prettiest of things to see. However, we've had not one person, and we've had a number of people coming into the store this week that have seen this setup. Not one person has even noticed that a joint exists. So it's not an issue, they're all facing you. And remember, when you have drum wraps, like Black Oyster and so on, which looks stunning, on the inside of those, there's always a joint on the wrap where they overlap it. So it's no different really. I think you have to accept there's pros and cons. To be traditional and authentic to the original design, then Ludwig need to do it this way. So 95% positive and maybe a 5% negative there, but it's the way the drums make you feel. It's just absolutely stunning. So, beautiful drums made by Ludwig. Get in touch with us at cariaddrumshop.com. Check out Lee's website here, Lee Smith Drummer, or Lee Smith Drums. Please subscribe, follow the shop and get in touch with us for all your drumming needs. We have lots of reviews to come forward for you, lots of things to happen, and we're going to say play it away, Lee. Here we go. Okay, let's just have a little tap about to show you a little bit more.